My dear students, my dear brothers, my dear sisters, welcome and greetings to you. வணக்கம் வணக்கம் தம்பிகளே, வணக்கம் தங்கைகளே. Let's start the session. Welcome to today's session, my dear students. Few more sentences, few more small, meaningful and day-to-day regularly used phrases and sentences I am giving you. Basically, we are starting with want, do not want. Want in Tamil, it is vendum. In literary, pure literary, it is vendum. However, while speaking, we say venum. I want. எனக்கு வேணும். எனக்கு வேணும். Don't want. I do not want. I don't want. எனக்கு வேண்டாம். So friends, எனக்கு வேணும். I want. எனக்கு வேண்டும். However, colloquial में बोला जाता है வேணும். And I don't want. எனக்கு வேண்டாம். Similarly, in Hindi, मुझे चाहिए. வேண்டும். चाहिए. Don't want. नहीं चाहिए. Very simple. चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. In Tamil it is வேண்டும், வேண்டாம். In colloquial வேணும், வேண்டாம். Okay. Now, I want a glass of water. I want a cup of tea. I want a cup of coffee. I want a pen. I want a remote. Okay friends. I want a glass of water. எனக்கு ஐ வாண்ட் எனக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் தண்ணி வேணும். எனக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் தண்ணி வேணும். எனக்கு ஒரு கப்பு காஃபி வேணும். எனக்கு ஒரு கப்பு டீ வேணும். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், எனக்கு ஒரு பேனா வேணும். எனக்கு ஒரு பென்சில் வேணும். தேர்ஃபோர் ஐ வாண்ட் எ கிளாஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். ஐ வாண்ட் எ கப் ஆஃப் காஃபி. ஐ வாண்ட் எ கப் ஆஃப் டீ. ஐ வாண்ட் எ பென். ஐ வாண்ட் எ பென்சில். ஓகே, ஸோ எனக்கு ஒரு பேனா வேணும். எனக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் தண்ணி வேணும். सिमिलरली इन हिंदी मुझे एक ग्लास पानी चाहिए. मुझे एक रिमोट चाहिए. मुझे एक पेंसिल चाहिए. मुझे एक पेन चाहिए. तो you are understanding, am I right? Are you clear friends? Now I want something. I want a pencil. I want a remote. I want a shirt. I want a glass of water. तो सिमिलरली इन हिंदी ऑल्सो वी हैव सीन मुझे एक ग्लास पानी चाहिए. मुझे एक कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी चाहिए. लाइक दैट. दैट इज़ want and do not want. Okay friends, I don't want anything. Opposite, quite opposite. I don't want anything. So how do we say in Tamil? In Tamil we say எனக்கு எனக்கு ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம். எனக்கு ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம். I don't want anything. So what is the Hindi equivalent? Hindi equivalent they say मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Am I right? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. எனக்கு ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம். Okay? You are following friends? Are you comfortable? Okay. Next, you are searching for something. You are looking for something which is misplaced. You are unable to find out. Then you call your home. मेरा चश्मा कहाँ है? मेरा पर्स कहाँ है? मेरा ID कार्ड कहाँ है? Where is my spectacle? Where is my ID card? Where is my purse? Money purse. Okay friends. So here I have told in Hindi first. However, you take it positively. In Tamil, what is the Tamil equivalent? என்னோட என். Pure literary Tamil we say என். However, in spoken Tamil you can say என்னோட கண்ணாடி எங்க? Where is my spectacle? Where எங்க? My என்னோட spectacle கண்ணாடி. என்னோட கண்ணாடி எங்க? என்னோட ரிமோட் எங்க? என்னோட மொபைல் எங்க? Where is my spectacle? Where is my remote? Where is my mobile? Okay, friends. So it is you are looking for something which is misplaced in the house. So your wife or your mother or your sister will search for that and give you. So you how do you ask? You ask for where is my spectacle? Where is my mobile? Where is my ID card? Where is my purse? Select that. Okay, friends. Today we have seen few more phrases, few more sentences. Please tell me and comment me whether you like it or do not like it or what exactly you want. I am here to help you. I am here to support you. I am here to give you what exactly you want. உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அதை நான் தர்றேன். உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ நான் சொல்லி தரேன். आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको जो चाहिए बताइए, मैं आपको दूंगा. This is my dedication and I feel very happy teaching you, my dear friends. Make it an enjoyable, make it a joyful session and learn things what you want and tell me whether you like it or not. And then if you like it, please subscribe it, please share it. Bring more friends so that we will have a get together. Okay friends, happy learning and all the best.